Hello, this is Dahlia from Toption. Today is midterms. We are at the factory to inspect the molecular distillation, it also called SPD, to inspect these goods ordered by our customers. Our team now is working the final tests to ensure it can work perfectly. Now, follow me and see our factory. And this machine is also ready for shipping. You can have a say. And this is also the SPT. It's in stock. They are ready. And also after package, we will shipping it. Now, follow me and we have introduced these two machines. And this machine is 0.1 square meters for two stage, and this one is one stage, and this is other stage. And about this machine is 0.5 square meters, and this is the feeding tank, and the material can put it into this hole. And this is the main evaporator, and this is the heavy phase, and they are light phase. These two are two condensers, and this machine now is for test for vacuum tests. And once we confirmed, we will prepare it for shipping. And if you are interested in our machines, feel free to contact us.